Peter Obi has asked his legal team to move to the Supreme Court. So guys, after the final ruling yesterday that came as a shock to so many Nigerians, Mr. Peter Obi has instructed his legal team to move to the Supreme Court to file an appeal. Honestly, we are still looking forward to getting justice, because they can't just tell us that all the petitions, all the prayers before the tribunal do not make sense. That is what they actually told Nigerians. But we are going to get justice. Let me allow you listen to what Peter Obi's lead counsel got to say.
I'm saying that our clients are dissatisfied with the judgment just delivered. And we have the firm instruction of our clients to challenge the judgment on appeal. And the court has promised us that possibly by tomorrow we are going to get a copy of the judgment. Once we have it, we will swing into action. Let me say this. We have to be very, very careful in this country. If we are not careful, electoral jurisprudence will virtually disappear. I'm saying this with every amount of sincerity, because when the litigants, when those who contested the election continue to find it very difficult to establish their case due to obstacles all the way, starting by INEC, certainly they may resort to some other means of trying to seek justice, which may not be lawful. And nobody encourages that. Nobody encourages that. So, and also, I commend the Court of Appeal for introducing live streaming. You will recall that we applied to the court to have live streaming of all the proceedings. The court, in its wisdom, did not grant the application, but now in the end, they saw wisdom in it to guarantee transparency. Hence, they introduced live streaming of the judgment. Certainly, it would have been better if there was live streaming of the entire proceedings, so that the public will now watch it from beginning to the end and connect properly with the judgment. But this one just started from the judgment, so they didn't start from the very beginning. So I do hope and pray that next time it will be continuous from the beginning of the case, beginning of the hearing, until the end. That is the only way you can ensure transparency. Because when something is open, people will see it themselves and they will make up their minds one way or the other.
Thank you very much.
Finally,
Okay.
I leave you with one word. History will vindicate the just.
So guys, you can see that Nigeria is a place where we hardly get justice. Justice is always far from the people. And one keeps asking, is the court still the last hope for the common man? If you don't have money and you don't have anybody in position of power, can you really get justice in Nigerian judiciary? That is the question many Nigerians are asking. Looking at what transpired yesterday at the tribunal, honestly, we least expected that kind of show. Meaning that all the prayers, that Peter Obi brought before the court and that of Atiku were all struck out. And they upheld Tinubu as the president of Nigeria. This is still a very big shock in the lives of so many patriotic Nigerians. And we will keep fighting until justice is served. Please subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Thank you.